Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open or how to create a spreadsheet in Excel. So let's create a spreadsheet here. So let's click on the right button, right click on your mouse and go to this new option. Here you would find Microsoft Excel worksheet. Tap on it and you can rename your Excel worksheet here. Let's write sample, click on enter and it would be set, and then go to this spreadsheet and this spreadsheet will be created. As you can see, a new spreadsheet is appeared here, and this is your workbook. You can do all your work from here. You can write here or use formula here. Let's write something here. Let's write something. Well, as you can see, if I click on enter, the first text that I have written here is spread to column A, column B, and column C as well. So if we only want to keep this text in column A, then what we have to do is just simply click on this between two columns, double click. As you can see, it's adjusted automatically. Or you can simply, let's undo it first, or you can just simply select the whole text and go to this margin center option. Click on margin center. As you can see, it's merged and centered. You can change the alignment as according to your wish. So, and then you can continue with your writing. You can write some formula here. You can add, subtract, multiply, divide in this whole spreadsheet, and you can insert some table or some data from here. Well, let's wait a bit. Here you can add some pivot table and table. Let's say I want to have a table to this range and click on table. As you can see, if you click on OK, then there will be appear a table. You can change your table styles from here and do as whatever you wish to. And if you don't want this table again, just click to convert to range and click on yes. As you can see, it's removed, but yes, the format is not deleted, right? So what you have to do is just again select it and click on the clear and click on clear formats. As you can see, it's totally removed. You can delete the column names by selecting and clicking on delete button, and you can add some formula from here. You can use auto sum, sum, average, count numbers, maximum, minimum, and go to this more function options for your desirable formula. So this is how it works. It's just take an STDV, which is the formula of a standard deviation. We don't want this right now, so we will now delete it. And you can let's say if you want to find and select something, then you can use find and replace option from here and insert something here, some charts, lines, columns, header and footer, equation. There's some equation. As you can see, there's some mathematical equations here. You can use them. You can use symbols from here, and you can style your text from here, and you can hyperlink your um, hyperlink your text in here as well, and you can change page layout. So yeah, this is how you can create a spreadsheet and work with it. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.